Hello, today we will guide you through how to add 1099 INT on H&R Block. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to go in your return to enter interest income from Form 1099 INT. This form typically reports interest you earned from banks, credit unions, or brokerage accounts. It's helpful to have the form in front of you so you can easily reference the payer's name, interest amount, any federal income tax withheld, and state details if they apply. From the H&R Block Do-It-Yourself main menu, start by opening the Overview area. This gives you a clear snapshot of your return and is a good jumping-off point to reach the sections you'll need. Next, move into the Federal section. This is where all federal topics live, including income, deductions, credits, and summary items. Opening Federal ensures the program guides you through the correct interview screens for interest income. Select Go to the beginning of my return. This option places you at the start of the guided flow for your federal return, which helps the software ask the right questions in the right order and keeps everything organized. Continue by choosing Next. This advances you past the opening screen so you can reach the main categories where you'll add income. Open the Income section. This is where you'll add different types of income: wages, interest, dividends, and more. Since we're entering interest, we'll focus on the option that specifically handles 1099 INT. Choose Add another income type. The list of income types is extensive, and this option lets you add exactly what you need without changing anything you've already entered. Scroll down and click the search bar. Searching is the fastest way to find a specific income topic instead of scanning a long list. Type 1099 ENT into the search bar. As you type, relevant results will appear. Don't worry about capitalization. The key is to include 1099 and INT, so the correct topic comes up. Select 1099 INT, Interest Income. This opens the guided entry for interest income. From here, the software will prompt you to enter details from your 1099 INT, such as the payer information, total interest, any federal tax withheld, and state information if you have it. Enter the numbers exactly as shown on your form and keep an eye out for any additional boxes that apply, like early withdrawal penalties. If you receive more than one 1099 INT, you'll be able to add each one within this same area. That's it. By following these steps, you've navigated to the correct place to report interest income, ensuring your return reflects what's on your 1099 INT accurately. Review your entries carefully and keep your form handy while you work.